Welcome to our digital marketing tutorial. Today, we will provide you with informative tips and strategies for success in digital marketing in 2023. Effective digital marketing strategies are crucial for success. Let's explore some of the most effective strategies you can implement. Building a successful digital marketing career requires dedication and continuous learning. Let's discover the key steps to building a thriving career in digital marketing. In 2023, digital marketing trends are evolving rapidly. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping up with the latest trends and innovations. Are you ready to take your digital marketing skills to the next level? Join us on this journey to success in digital marketing in 2023. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. Stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape to ensure your success. Creativity is key in digital marketing. Explore innovative ideas and strategies to stand out from the competition. Data analysis is essential for optimizing digital marketing campaigns. Learn how to effectively analyze data to drive better results. Engage your audience with compelling content. Discover the secrets to creating content that resonates with your target audience. Social media platforms play a vital role in digital marketing. Learn how to leverage social media to reach and engage your target audience effectively. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic. Master the art of SEO to increase your website's visibility and rankings. Email marketing remains an effective strategy for nurturing leads. Learn how to create compelling email campaigns that drive conversions. Video marketing is a powerful tool for engaging your audience. Discover how to create impactful video content that drives results. Mobile marketing is essential in today's digital landscape. Learn how to optimize your marketing efforts for mobile devices and reach your audience on the go. Influencer marketing can amplify your brand's reach. Discover how to collaborate with influencers and leverage their audience to boost your digital marketing efforts. Content marketing is the backbone of digital marketing. Learn how to create a content strategy that drives brand awareness and engages your target audience. Paid advertising can accelerate your digital marketing efforts. Discover how to create effective ad campaigns that generate high-quality leads and conversions. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is essential for maximizing your marketing ROI. Learn how to optimize your website and landing pages to drive conversions. Analytics provide valuable insights into your digital marketing performance. Learn how to effectively track and analyze data to make data-driven decisions. Thank you for joining us on this digital marketing journey. Remember, success in digital marketing requires continuous